Drenched in sins from head to toe, we are surrounded by hoes and woes. All I see is them flaunting and haunting. Then come the amigos disguised as foes. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Twisted truths, firm-looking hollows, wisdom fades, evil illusion follows, relics of ethics ink nicely in books. A bitter path, die my future follows. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Though society's mask is cracking fast, as values crumble, nothing will last. Keeping eyes all time on the past, alas. Baddest of all in present evil grows. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Life has become more like a war. Humans playing demigods' avatar. Treating souls as their commodities, keep draining till they decompose. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Silver tongues weaving golden lies, honeyed words and victim cries, mastering the art of puppet show, building castles with legos of egos. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Trauma passes down the line as generations been dying to align. All those narcissistic abuses and devils they have been striving to impose. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Yes, even the idea of hope scares me now. If anyone promises me love, I say, wow. Everything looks eerie, fake, and surreal. Even the idea of love. Venom's dose. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Though in this age of modern plight, we must become the guiding light. But whenever it comes to acting sane, humans act weird like no one knows. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Hmm. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. Yeah, just the way it is. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. We are surrounded by hoes and woes. I'm not sorry for my expression. I just mean we need to look within ourselves. So yeah, just look at just look within yourself. Yeah. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.